Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Goel, practicing company secretary from Delhi. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the due date of LLP 11 form of for the financial year ended 31st March 2020. As we know, every LLP is required to file an annual return every year with ROC. This annual return should contain the name of the partners, total contribution by the partners, summary of the partners, detail of the entities in which partners are interested. All these type of details are required to mention in this annual return LLP 11. Every LLP is required to file this form with registrar of company within 60 days of end of financial year. Financial year end of 31st March 2020. So 60 days till 30th May 2020 every LLP is required to file this form. So now we are in the month of May. So 30th May is the due date for filing of this form. But as we know, due to this lockdown and COVID-19 situation, Ministry of Corporate Affairs has given many relaxation to the companies and LLPs. So whether they have given any relaxation for the LLP 11 also. So for this purpose, we have to check the LLP settlement scheme. LLP settlement scheme issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs in the month of March 2020. As per LLP settlement scheme, a LLP can file all the pending form of LLP whose due date is on or before 30th August 2020 till 30th September without any additional fees. In other words, if the due date of any LLP form is on or before 30th August, then such LLP can file all those forms even after due date till 30th September without any additional fees. Like due date for the LLP 11 is the 30th May 2020. But if the LLP files such form till 30th September 2020, they can file so even without any additional fees, because LLP settlement scheme allowed all the LLPs to file any form whose due date is till 30th August to file without additional fees till 30th September. So for the month of May, we require to file LLP 11, but due to this LLP settlement scheme, now we can file such LLP 11 form till 30th September and LLP is not required to pay any additional fee. So this is a relaxation given by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs due to this COVID-19 and lockdown situation. Hope it is clear to everyone, so that now we have to file the LLP 11 till 30th September without any additional fees. Thank you so much.